Device charging. Device charging. Connect to power adapter by USB cable. When charging, the charging indicator light will be on, and the charging icon will be displayed in the status bar. Connecting probe. Connect the probe, host and probe connection. Device boot. Device is powered on. Press the switch button on the back of the equipment to turn on the equipment. On means to turn on, OFF means to turn off. Observe for a while, wait for the screen to jump to the normal interface. After the equipment is powered on, it will automatically identify the type of connected sensor probe, supporting temperature and humidity probe and dual temperature probe. After the startup, replace the probe, and restart the equipment. Add device. Support adding devices on web or mobile. Web side, click device list, manually enter GUID to add device. Mobile phone, app scanning code or manual input to add equipment. Connected network. Two ways to connect to the network are supported, regular network and Bluetooth network. Attention! RCW 800W series only supports 2.4G Wi-Fi, not 5G Wi-Fi. If dual band router, you can choose 2.4G wireless signal distribution network. If the router has only 5G band, it cannot be connected. If the wireless signal is a dual band hybrid, it is recommended to give priority to Bluetooth network distribution. Method 1, Conventional Distribution Network. 1. Enter the network distribution mode, press the reset button for a short time on the device side, and the Wi-Fi network distribution icon will be displayed on the device interface. 2. Connect the phone to the Wi-Fi network and open the app. 3. Click the device to enter the device details page. Click the Wi-Fi configuration button, enter the Wi-Fi password, connect to the network successfully, and the screen displays the network signal. Mode 2, Bluetooth network. 1. Enter the network configuration mode, press the reset button twice on the device side, and the Bluetooth network configuration icon will be displayed on the device interface. 2. Connect the phone to the Wi-Fi network and open the app. 3. Click the device to enter the device details page, click the Wi-Fi configuration button. 4. Open Bluetooth network, automatically obtain IP address, input Wi-Fi password, and display network signal on screen. Configuration parameter settings. Device list, click device to enter device details page. Click on parameter settings. Sensor parameters, support modifying all probe names, upper limit and lower limit. User parameters, support modifying parameters such as normal recording interval, alarm recording interval, normal upload interval, alarm upload interval, etc. Configure notification settings. Click notification settings. Notification settings, support setting push mode, alarm push, alarm level. Alarm category and early warning, support for selecting alarm categories and others. Start and stop recording. Press and hold the monitoring start button for 3 seconds, and the status will be displayed synchronously in the lower left corner of the display screen. Rec. Press and hold the monitoring stop button for 3 seconds, and the status will be displayed synchronously in the lower left corner of the display screen. Stop. Other key operations. 1. Left button, press to turn the page forward. 2. Right button, press to turn the page backward. 3. Home button, press and hold to switch to the home screen. For °C/°F key, hold and hold for 3 seconds, the temperature unit will be displayed in Celsius °C/Fahrenheit °F switch. 5. Buzzer on/key, hold and hold for 3 seconds, the buzzer function is on, off. View sensor parameter configuration including upper and lower parameters. View user parameter configuration includes normal recording interval, alarm recording interval, normal upload interval, alarm upload interval, recording duration and other parameters. View system information contains device Wi-Fi IP address, device Wi-Fi MAC address, equipment ID and other parameters. View and export data. Real-time data. Visualize real-time data, automatically calculate maximum and minimum temperatures, and generate data graphs. Data chart. Support querying historical data, generating reports, exporting lists, generating FDA data. Alarm status. Support querying historical alarm records, batch processing alarms, alarm records export.